What's up, my adventure loving friends? Welcome to another video. It is cloudy and colder than normal here in northern Oregon with some on and off rain and sun. So typical Pacific Northwest weather. I am not going to be doing a view hike today, but I will be checking out two waterfalls. I am near Cascade Locks alongside the Columbia River Gorge, where I'll be hiking to see Emerald Falls and Gorton Creek Falls. Now this is a pretty short trail, but there does involve some scrambling, which I'll talk about. The first waterfall we're gonna see is Emerald Falls, and although it's only 10 feet tall, it is very beautiful. And right at Emerald Falls, that's where the trail ends, and that's where the scrambling begins. So we're gonna be scrambling over and around rocks, boulders, trees, and roots for about 100 yards. Now the scramble is alongside Gorton Creek, and from Emerald Falls to Gorton Creek Falls, the creek is just this cascade of mini waterfalls. And I can tell you, I've hiked this trail before, and Gorton Creek is one of my favorite creeks in the Pacific Northwest. And anytime there's some scrambling involved, it's really fun, at least for me. All right, guys, I'm telling you, you don't want to miss it. Pacific Northwest. Let's get going. All right, guys, I am approaching Emerald Falls. And like I said, it's only 10 feet tall, but really beautiful. Let's take a closer look. So from Emerald Falls going upstream, Gorton Creek turns into just a cascade of waterfalls. Really beautiful. Now this is where the trail ends. I'm gonna hop over this tree and then we're gonna do some scrambling for about 100 yards or so, and that should lead us to Gorton Creek Falls. This is why I always bring an extra pair of socks with me every time I go hiking, because you never know what you're going to be walking through: mud, creeks, rivers. I can see Gorton Creek Falls right in front of me. It is flowing super strong. Just have a little more scrambling up to do, and then we should be right at the waterfall. All right, guys, we made it. Gorton Creek Falls. Super beautiful. Let's take a look. All right, guys, now let's scramble back down. All right, guys, I am almost back to the trailhead. Thank you for watching. What an awesome hike. 2 beautiful waterfalls. And like I said, Gorton Creek, just one of my favorite creeks in the Pacific Northwest. And I always love trails that have a bit of scrambling. I just find them really fun. If you enjoyed the video, smash the like button. Share this video if you know anyone else who likes to see waterfalls, and subscribe to the channel, where I'm going to take you to see even more waterfalls, scenic views, mountains, lakes, and rivers right here in the beautiful Pacific Northwest. Also, don't forget to check out the link in the description below for all your soap and soap accessory needs, so when you get home from your hike, you can get fresh and clean using all natural ingredients made by yours truly. Wonder Mountain soap, link in the description. All right, that's gonna do it for me. I'll catch you in the next video. Take care.